So ito yung tinatawag na chicken inasal. This is the homemade chicken inasal that we'll be cooking today. So if you guys aren't familiar with chicken inasal, it's that chicken that you can order from Mang Inasal. So this has been marinated in a mixture of
Coconut vinegar, soy sauce,
calamansi,
bawang,
bawang,
and luya.
so that's garlic, and ginger.
Ginger.
So it's been in this bag, Ziploc bag, for how long? What's your recommended time for marination inside the
Okay
bag?
na overnight. Kaya lang.
Yes, you can marinate the chicken overnight. Alright, so we're making homemade chicken inasal today. And here we go. That's our chicken inasal and the marinade. What's a marinade? A marinade is that mixture of ingredients that you use to soak the meat in for like overnight, and then the flavors will go into the meat like this.
Okay.
So we'll be barbecuing this chicken inasal. So as usual, we will be heating the charcoal on a stove top. So that's the shortcut if you don't want to have any problems in lighting the charcoal. This is the way to do it. We got a big chunk of charcoal here. Okay, this is enough. Just light the stove and wait for the charcoal to catch fire. So this is Inasal chicken oil. This is authentic Inasal chicken oil. So we'll be using this when the chicken is already on the barbecue. Okay, I think we've got our charcoal ready now. This is ready. See those glowing embers?
Yes.
So where can they buy this Inasal chicken oil? It says Inasal chicken oil. Is this from Mang Inasal?
Sabi available na doon. Pero
Okay, but it has no,
online.
it's not branded. It doesn't have the Mang Inasal logo. It's just Inasal.
Pero
So-
meron rin daw sa Inasal pala.
Ah, okay, that's good. So we place the hot charcoal into the pan, and we've added some fresh charcoal. It just takes a little bit of fan power. You got 2 chicken legs, still fresh, and I can see some flames at the bottom. We got the rest of the chicken here. We have our chicken oil ready here, and we will be putting some of this chicken oil when it's already roasting properly. Oh, look at that smoke. So guys, one of the disadvantages of barbecuing or grilling meat like this is the smoke, but you have to get used to it. Just avoid breathing in the smoke. And of course, every time there's a flame, if a flame comes out, you have to put it out, or else the meat will get burned. Like that. Just flick the fan. Or just sprinkle a few drops of water in there. So there we have a few tongues of flame going up, and if that happens, just sprinkle a few drops of water in there. So that should take care of the flames and prevent your chicken from getting burned. So we're now adding some chicken oil onto the chicken. Now I'm wondering, if that's already chicken, it already has chicken fat on its skin, and we're still adding chicken oil. Does it make sense? I don't know. But it says to be, it enhances the flavor of the color of the barbecue chicken, because this has annatto oil.
Chicken fat.
Yes, the chicken fat. Add more fat to the chicken, because of course the chicken already has that fat. It already has that oil. But it doesn't have annatto or achuete.
Sarili kong marinade ko.
Okay.
Yung binili ko, ngayon ko, naka-add na sa kanya, nilagyan niya ng aswete yung kanyang marinade.
Alright, so you got the barbecue chicken here. Chicken inasal, all homemade. Marinated at home, barbecued at home. Topping. Inasal, homemade inasal chicken. Look how juicy that is. And also easily pulls out of the bone. Okay, we're lighting this so that the flies won't be coming in. We'll keep the flies away. Of course, if that got soy sauce with calamansi and chicken oil, you also need chili. I'm gonna put this piece in.
Diba?
I'm gonna mash it up.
Diba? I help.
So the candle's on. This is not a candlelight lunch. That's to keep the flies away. I'm gonna use my hand. This is so flavorful. The calamansi all brings out the flavor of this chicken. And the chili.
Ay, nawalan. Kahit kumakain.
It's open.
I know.
Now see, this is great homemade chicken inasal. All you have to do is marinate it well. Remember the ingredients we said earlier. And cook it over the barbecue.
You choke. You choke.
Really delicious. So I'm gonna end this vlog now. So I'll see you again in another video. See you soon.